Do you remember when you were younger saying, someday I will, whatever? And it didn't matter what it was. You knew it was going to happen. You said it without limitation and without doubt. Do you remember doing that? You didn't even think about how it would happen. You just knew that it would. Do you still feel that way? Well, let's talk about that. But first, go down below and click that subscribe button and click on that little bell so you'll be notified the next time I have a video that goes live. Talk to you in a minute. Hi, I'm Deborah Shaw with DeborahLynnShaw.com. Do you still believe it? Do you still believe that you can do whatever you want to do? Unfortunately, life may not have gone the way you planned. What if you're not prepared for retirement? Is there anything at all that you can do? You still have time. Over half of all new business owners are over 55. Did you know that? So spend some time learning how to run your own business. There are 3 key elements that are absolutely crucial to your success when starting an online business. Number 3, you have to work with people who have done what you want to do and are willing to help you. Number 2, you have to have a proven system that's simple to follow and will work for you even if you've never done anything like this before. And number 1, you need a personal coach or a mentor, someone who will take you by the hand and show you exactly what to do step by step. So many people around the world are really struggling, especially with online businesses, because they don't know which way to turn, especially baby boomers. We weren't brought up on the computer, we didn't know how to do all this. We had to learn all of this as adults. But I have found in my coaching that baby boomers have the best work ethic ever. And once they catch on and once they understand how everything works together, there is no stopping them. They want more than anything else to experience what they see others achieving in an online business. But because they don't have the right education or the right system, and there's no one to guide them through it, they continue to go through life and wish and want more. So unless you plan to take action, the sad fact is you may have to work the rest of your life. In fact, studies show that 95% of people will never be financially secure. With all that said, are you ready to join me on this journey? Or do you know someone who needs to change directions in their life? Someone who has started an online business and got stuck. Maybe that's you. Maybe you know someone that's happened to. Let me help you get out of that rut. At least let's have a conversation and see if we're able to work together. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. It'll say DeborahLynnShaw.com/get started. And when you click on that link, you'll leave your name and email for me. And you will receive an email from me that tells you to find me on Skype. And I'll give you my Skype ID in that email. So be sure to reach out to me on Skype. And let's just have a conversation. It's a free strategy session. Who knows? Maybe we'll be a good fit and you'll let me guide you through building your own online business. So if you've got any value out of this video, please like it and share it. And remember, you have everything you need inside yourself to be successful. You are empowered for abundance. Take care.